Hey guys, my name is Kiaya and today I'm going to show you how to do the grab and go headband ponytail. It's a short and quick simple do that you can do whenever you're heading to the grocery store or have errands to run. It only takes a few minutes, so I'm going to show you how to install it. So first what you'll need to do is you'll need to grab a gel or edge control of your choice, something that best works with your hair texture, and then you'll need some hair ties, a comb, a brush, and an edges brush so that you can sweep up any baby hair afterwards. Then you will need the actual wig. So what I'm going to do first is put my hair in a ponytail, but it's not going to be too high and it's not going to be too low. It's going to be like in the center of my head so that I will have room for the front bang and then the actual ponytail puff. Now I'm going to brush the back of my hair so that it is slick for when I put in the ponytail. You don't want any flyaways or any lumps to the back, so try to brush it and catch all. As you can see now, it's in the center of my head. Okay, so now I'm twirling my hair around so that I can make this bun as small as possible. And then I'm going to use a hair tie to hold it in place. The drawstring will be helpful with tightening it up so that it can fit perfectly. So I'll open it now and then I'll tighten it up and then push it on the inside part when I'm putting it on my head. So now I'm using the clip, the back part, to clip it to the back of my head, as you can see. And then I'm going to use the front clip to clip it to the front part of my head. Hold it into place. Bam! And then I'm going to use this headband to wrap around my head. The headband also has clips on the side of it so that it stays in place as well. Okay, so now that we have this part down, we're going to use the inside clip, the clips underneath, to pin it down to my hair so that the bang can stay as well. There are 3 clips, one on this side, and one to the front so that it stays in place. It does not move. And now we're done. And there you have it. A simple grab and go headband ponytail with a bang. And you can tease it out, you can use a comb, or you can just tease it out with your hands so that it looks more full or more natural. You can also clip pieces off if you want to, or stretch it out so that the curls can be a little bit longer. And there you have it. You can also do some edges on the side if you want, but you don't have to. And this is how it looks. Done. And this is the grab and go ponytail with the headband.